red CLA 250 Mercedes-Benz. I was spraying this yesterday and it had a big white chunk of crap land in it. I mean, honestly, I was painting it here and I reckon it's a bit of flake of paint or something off the roof. Well, that's my excuse anyway, and I'm sticking to it. So it landed like right here and it didn't quite polish out. It's hard to make true left down though, because I get to basically flow coat this bonnet and make it look clear and make a video on it. I just didn't make a video on this job here. Pretty nice new bend, full front ender. Yeah, so repair on one fender, blend on the other fender, a new front bumper cover, a new bonnet. So I'm just going to put a little bit of 599, just over, say not even half of the bonnet, just where I need to blend. So I want to put colour over the whole bonnet. The saddles I've probably run out, and also the bonnet looks too good to go and jump with. No, I might get one coat on and then be like, oh, I need another tech coat and then run out of colour, this match. So keep it contained to where it's necessary with the colour. Yeah, a little bit of 599 first. It's going to help me get this blend. Using this is starting to become my favourite minigun of late. I forgot about my A&Is, but yeah, this gun's just been working well for me. Except for when it blows out little white chunks of shit like that. If that dries down looking good, we're going to be clearing in a minute. I'll just go one more sort of a drop coat on it. So that's there. I kept the colour to those lines. Put a bit of a shape in the panel and sort of throws the eye up to any possible blend. So now that happens sometimes. Hey, not too bad for a gate that's like 2 years old, it just gets a bit sticky in there. Maybe I've got a little bit too much thinners in them. It's all good. So yeah, just give that a bit of a blow dry. I've got the stand-off standard clear in the gun. Fast hardness, as I said, like, I sprayed this job yesterday, but the cars need to go today, so I used medium hardener when I sprayed the car originally, but this time I have to use fast. It's just got to get it in, get it out. The car's got to go today, so I got onto it early. It's not even morning, it's not even 10 o'clock yet in the morning, so we'll have to bake over morning tea, and then once it's finished baking, I'll just put it out into the sun. Nice warm day today, so give it an hour in the sun and that'll be absolutely fine to polish in the afternoon. So yeah, fingers crossed to get this thing nice and clean. I got a good feeling about it. So I mixed up 330 mils of clear. 300 is usually my go to amount for a bonnet, but I don't know, I just don't want to run out. I don't think I would have with 300, but 30 mils is not going to break the bank. So yeah, just 2-bar pressure. Full bed, full fluid, speed 21.3. Tell you what, I had a big night last night on the computer just cleaning it up, like all these files and man, big job being a YouTuber. I tell you what, probably spent like 2 hours just sorting out files on the hard drive and stuff like that. But it's a good feeling to have it nice and clean and in order. That's one thing, if you like a bit of advice if you are looking at starting a YouTube channel, just name all your folders, have some sort of organisation to your video footage. I gave that advice to one of my friends when he started up his YouTube channel. He didn't listen to me, and he told me like a month or so later, he's like, man, I wish I had listened to you because I've just got footage and I don't know what you've got, you know. So sometimes it's really just in a hurry. It's even as simple as go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That can be the name of the folder, so at least all the footage is in the order of what you took it in, you know. But you guys probably don't really give a shit about that. You probably just want to watch me fucking swear on. So we do sort of, we do have the limitations of, you know, this can't look too good. It's got to look like the rest of the car. So I do have to leave a little bit of orange peel in there. I'm not going for ultra dead flat finish on it. And I reckon it looks pretty damn good. Yeah, that looks like a Mercedes finish. Couple of nips in it, nothing too bad. That'll come out with a buff, mate. Yeah. Anyway, I'll give you guys a quick close-up look, and yeah, I'm glad I did use that extra 30 mils because I used a lot of it. So there you go. 330 mils, back and black, fast hardness, down on standard clear. Woo! I'll give you a close look and see you in the next one.